Hello, hello, hello. This Friday, we are having an exciting game of Super Bunny Bingo for the Mike Co special event. So, if you are wondering what is that, then please let me explain. Simply, when you sign up or RSVP for the event, I will send you a bingo card. What is a bingo card? This is a bingo card. Ha 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 ha. You will have your own special bingo card, special for you. And basically, as we play the game, there will be numbers that will be revealed. So you download the bingo card. You can put it on your phone. You can put it on your computer. You just need to have access to it. You can write it out if you really want. And then basically, as we go through, numbers come up. 23. Oh my goodness, 23. Do I have 23? I do. Oh, what a coincidence. And then as you go, so the next number, 9. Do I have 9? No, I don't. And then we keep going. Boom, 46. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Oh, look, I have 46. Incredible. My goodness. So basically, the way bingo works is that numbers get called out. You look at your special little bingo card. If you can complete a line, guys, so a line would be, for example, or you get all these in a row, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. You get the idea. If you can complete a line, basically, that is bingo. So we go here, boom. Oh, 40, 75 comes up, 10 comes up. Rabbit. What? How do I get a rabbit? I'll explain. Then boom, you have a line, you have bingo. But then if you get something like 57, 53, 48, 56, try that again. Boom, another line, bingo again. You cannot stop my bingo powers. And that's how bingo works, very simply. But it's not just numbers, because it's an English lesson and it's more fun than that. So basically, in our Super Bunny Bingo, every now and then there'll be a magical chance time where you'll have a chance to answer questions, and whoever gets the first place in those questions has a magical chance time. So for example, a question like, what is this? A bunny, a rabbit, a hare, or a monster? I'm pretty sure I've got it. Boom, rabbit. It was correct. Lovely. And then another question. What do rabbits eat? Oh, carrots, cheese, bugs, the blood of the innocent. Oh, is it the blood of the innocent? No, it was not the blood of the innocent. But I'm the only one playing. So I just got 1 point. And that means I'm now first. So congratulations, me. I get a Super Bunny bonus and I can choose any number I like. So for example, I could be like, oh, well, actually, I'm going to take 70 then. Even though the number hasn't come up, I can choose any number on my card when I win the games. There are many games to play. And this is the only way you can get to unlock the bunny in the middle, is by winning a game. And that is basically it. There's numbers. You not mark the numbers off on your bingo card. There's games. If you win the games, then you can choose extra numbers to unlock. And when you have the first line, that's the first bingo. Then there's round 2 where you need 2 lines. Then there's round 3 where you need 3 lines. And that's the game over. There are incredible prizes to be won. So the first bingo, the second bingo, and the third bingo all win prizes. And yeah, so come on down, join us. It's going to be insane. It probably won't work, but come and watch the chaos with me and we'll have some fun. You'll learn some things about rabbits. You'll learn some fun, useful English about numbers and bingo and all sorts of good stuff. It's going to be great. You'll love it. You'll love it. So pop in. If you've got an hour, come have some fun with us and you might win a free English lesson. Just saying. So see you Friday, guys. If you have any questions, email me, message me, ask me. I am, as always, available. Toodaloo!